I'm going to call intern and Barney. Hey, intern and Barney.
What is it, ratthew?
Yeah, what is it?
Would it be good if we all three have a sleepover?
Yes.
Also, here's a reminder. Make sure you all three wear a Nirvana sweater. Buy my Preppies. Oh my God, they are here.
Hi, ratthew. I bring a candy bowl. Also, I forgot to mention that her room is better than mine.
Oh my God, 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 thank you. Those candies were so yummers. Anyways, let's go to Starbucks. How do I start this thing? Can we all have pink drinks?